Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Kia Rio 2 1.4. This car's finished in graphite grey metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, (15-inch) alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with patterned centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. You've got the 12-volt accessory plug-in point for the rear passengers. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving down to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. And this car is equipped with the standard equipment, which is the inflation kit with a compressor and the expanding foam. Moving round onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's also got the electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls to reset the tyre pressure sensors, lane departure, you've got the traction control you can turn off, centre armrest with internal storage box. This car's done 7,474 miles, 6-speed gearbox, stop start deactivation switch. Then you've also got the USB and auxiliary ports, 12-volt plugins for accessories, manual air conditioning, media system. So there's the home page. You've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. You've also got, you can hands-free phone operation, controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible, controls on the other side for the cruise control and speed limiter, automatic headlamps, moving back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you found this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.